Hey everybody, Adam from XLaser here to give you a quick overview on how to use the Keystone Correction tools inside of Mercury. So keystoning allows you to put the laser off center axis, or if you have a weird projection zone where you need to keep a certain area of it safe, this allows you to mask the projector so that you're not always running into your beam block. Always remember, if you're using projector masking in order to establish safe zones, always use a physical block on the laser. Could be, black wrap, tape, that kind of thing. Make sure that it's going to stand up to the laser beam and that it's going to make sure that your audience stays safe with a physical block. Moving beyond that, we can go to the Keystone features. After we select the page 255 pattern 1 gobo, it's sort of our maximum size test pattern. Come in here in the attribute editor to the Keystone Correction menu, and I'll go ahead and just drag this corner down a bit. I'll drag this corner down a bit. I'll go a little extreme here just in order to show you. So now when I come back and I do one of our other effects, you'll see that those effects warp themselves in order to stay inside of that keystone window. So now we have our whole cue inside of that window. If I move the corners of my window again to be full size, you can see that now that cue takes up the full size of the window. I hope this has been a good look at how to do keystone correction using the Titan software with Mercury laser control system. If you have any questions, just shoot us an email to support@xlaser.com. If you have any comments on any other tutorials you'd like to see, or if there's anything that wasn't super clear you'd like us to clarify, just go ahead and hit it in the comments. Thanks, folks. See you next time.